Did you know that a bathroom makeover can increase your home's value by up to 20% without breaking the bank? That's right. A little effort and creativity can go a long way in transforming your space. Stick around, because today we're diving into some amazing tips that will help you revamp your bathroom on a budget. Welcome back to the Basics Hub. And in today's video, we'll guide you through a DIY bathroom revamp that's both stylish and affordable. With creative tips and budget-friendly hacks, you can achieve a Pinterest-worthy bathroom in 2024. Let's get started. Many homeowners struggle with outdated or dull bathrooms but think they can't afford an upgrade. You know what I mean? Those boring beige tiles, the outdated fixtures, and the sad lighting that just screams May. It can feel overwhelming when you look at what's out there, and the thought of spending thousands can make you want to throw in the towel. But here's the secret. You don't need to spend a fortune to get the bathroom of your dreams. In fact, with some clever ideas and a bit of DIY spirit, you can create a beautiful space without maxing out your credit card. Before diving into the makeover, assess your space. Identify what you love and what you'd like to change. This will help you prioritize your projects. Gather inspiration from Pinterest and set a budget for your makeover. Decide on a style and color palette that reflects your taste. Remember, you can achieve a stunning look without overspending. Create a step-by-step plan for your revamp. This will keep you organized and ensure you stay within budget. Project 1: Painting and Wallpaper. For our first project, we'll update the walls with paint and wallpaper. Here's what you'll need: paint, wallpaper, brushes, and rollers. Start by painting the walls with your chosen color. For an accent wall, apply wallpaper to add texture and interest. The combination of paint and wallpaper creates a fresh and modern look, instantly transforming your bathroom. A fresh coat can work wonders and totally change the vibe of your bathroom. Go for light colors to make the space feel bigger, or a bold color for a dramatic effect. Project 2: Vanity Makeover. Next, we'll give the vanity a makeover. You'll need paint, new knobs, and sandpaper. First, sand the vanity to remove the old finish, then apply a fresh coat of paint. Replace the knobs for a modern touch. This simple update can make your vanity look brand new and elevate the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Updating your faucets and cabinet hardware can give your bathroom an instant facelift. You can find great options at your local hardware store or even online, and trust me, it doesn't have to break the bank. Project 3: Storage Solutions. For our next project, let's create stylish storage solutions. You'll need floating shelves, baskets, and hooks. Install floating shelves for additional storage and use baskets to keep items organized. Add hooks for towels and robes. These storage solutions not only keep your bathroom tidy but also add a decorative element. Project 4: Decor and Accessories. Finally, let's add decor and accessories. You'll need artwork, plants, and a new shower curtain. Hang artwork to add personality and place plants for a touch of greenery. Update the shower curtain for a fresh look. These final touches bring the entire makeover together, creating a cohesive and inviting space. Adding new towels, a stylish shower curtain, or some cute decor can really tie the whole look together. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at some DIY shelving or a custom vanity? There are tons of tutorials online that can guide you through the process, making it not just budget-friendly but also super fun. Remember, it's all about creativity. Sometimes a little imagination is all it takes to create a stunning space. Now, here comes the key moment: the jaw-dropping before and after reveal. Imagine walking into a bathroom that was once drab and outdated, and now it's a stunning oasis that feels like a spa retreat. Picture replacing those old grimy tiles with fresh, chic alternatives, or transforming your sink area with a stylish new vanity. The transformation is not just visual, it changes the entire feel of the space. This is the moment where all your efforts pay off. And trust me, you'll be amazed at the impact of your budget-friendly makeover. As we wrap things up, let's summarize the essential tips and tricks shared throughout the video. Remember to focus on paint, update your fixtures, accessorize wisely, and don't shy away from getting your hands dirty with some DIY projects. These simple yet effective changes can lead to a bathroom that not only looks gorgeous but also feels personalized and inviting. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite tip or share your own budget-friendly bathroom revamp ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome DIY and home improvement content. Thanks for watching, and happy renovating.